from Connor Garden. This is my bike check. Got vocal tweet bars in chrome, shiny. Got copy of ODI grips, demolition bar ends. I've got a proper stem with a stolen headset. Don't know if you can see it there. I've got We the People forks. I've got an E-Clat hub on a proper rim with a fit tyre. I've then got a Fly Montana frame with fly cranks, Hoffman Dinky sprocket, Shadow Conspiracy version 1 half link. I've got a United pivotal seat with just a post and a stock fly clamp. I've then got an E-Clat hub on the back with an Odyssey midway rim and a Odyssey tyre, and that's my bike. I'm meant to be riding now.
Oh shit!
You just killed the edit by talking.
Yeah! Try a free tuck. 3x tuck. You heard that? I trust Harry gets the sickest angles ever.